to go low.
So yeah, I had to turn my ring light off because it was not, no, it wasn't even picking up. So all the supplies came from Sally's, and I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4 equal parts. And I'm just sectioning my hair with basically with my nails. Alright, so that's done. So I like to kind of like start at the back of my head, and I'm going to apply the color to the shaft of my hair. I feel like I always try to apply the color to the ends of your hair, because if you apply it to like the root of your hair, yeah, that's how you get like the over processed hair color, or I guess it's called hot roots. And yeah, this is a disclaimer. This is what I do to my hair. Listen, I'm not a professional, like, just, this is a show and tell, okay? So again, I'm applying it to the shaft of my hair because, the head give off heat. So we don't want overprocessed roots or hot roots or whatever. So yeah.
What's funny, bitch?
Like, sis, it was my background. Like, what do I not supposed to do? I mean, if it's funny, I'm gonna laugh. All right, so I done made my way to the front of my head, and I'm just repeating the process from the back to the front. And this process, the color process, I mean, it's very lengthy, very lengthy. So right here, I'm going to the back of my head again, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the color to my roots. So yeah, I'm going in between the hair. And again, this, I know y'all gonna get tired of me saying it, but yeah, this is gonna avoid the hot roots look. Like, the hair that be darker than the shaft of the hair. Yeah, it's gonna avoid that. And again, disclaimer, I am not a professional. This is what I do to my hair. So please, just please, okay?
Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. Give me a chance.
So now I'm just separating the hair to let it breathe, or should I say oxidize.
Few moments later.
And yeah, this is the finished product. It looks a little dry, but it's all good. I'ma fix it. So thank you so much for watching, y'all. Bye.